Hi guys, Totallydubbed here, and today I'm doing a video overview and unboxing of the Abkoncore B780 gaming headset. Now I'd like to thank Abkoncore actually for sponsoring this video. If you'd like any more information or indeed would like to purchase the headset, do check out in the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first off, let's unbox the headset and get it out of its box and then give you a bit of a demo. So I'm just going to open up the box and get rid of the packaging. And inside we will obviously find the headset, and there is also a disc over here, so you can install the software if needs be. You can also install it via Abkoncore's website. The headset over here we're going to get into in just a bit, but just to show you what you get in the box, you've also got a manual giving you a little bit more information about the headset. So with the headset outside of its packaging, you can see how it looks like over here. You've got a manual microphone, so you can adjust it to where you want, and again I'll showcase this when it's actually plugged in. The cable itself is nice and thick, as you might want from a gaming headset, and it's terminated by a gold-plated USB jack as well, so therefore you don't have to worry about a sound card, and it's got its built-in processing as well, which is great. And in terms of the headset itself, it's got a headband mechanism over here, so it means that hopefully it should be a little bit more comfortable for long periods of time. And then you've got a circular, so not an oval shaped a pad over here. Now in terms of the softness, you can see over here how it is. So that will completely depend on terms of your head and in terms of what you're wearing, like glasses or not. In terms of the cable, it comes out from the left-hand side. So if you can see, if you're wearing it like this, it'll come from the left-hand side. So it's just worth bearing that in mind. And over here, you've also got buttons, which we're just going to get into in just a bit. But here is the look of the headset straight outside of the box. So here we go. I've got the headset now plugged in, so it gives you an indication of how it looks. I will have it on my head in just a second. So you can see the RGB lights over here. Now through the button, which you can find on the left-hand cup, you can disable the RGB lights. Now there's a vibration button, which I'm going to showcase in just a bit by playing some music, and hopefully you'll be able to hear or feel the vibration on my desk, but nevertheless you will feel it if it's on your head. Then you've got a volume button, that's the overall volume of the headphone itself, and then you've got a mic mute button. So once it's on, so as in the mic is picking up, it's illuminated. If you were to press the button here, it's going to turn off that mic, which knows that you're not transmitting any sort of voices through this microphone. Now in terms of the vibration feature, if I just showcase this now, I'll just play a song in the background. So hopefully there you're able to hear or feel the vibrations through my desk. I'm not sure if my microphone will pick it up, but nevertheless they are there, and you can definitely feel the differences when you do press the vibration on or off. Now elsewhere, and in terms of specs, the driver diameter is 50mm. In terms of the microphone itself, it's 6mm times 2.7mm. It's an omnidirectional microphone as well, with a sensitivity of minus 38 dB plus or minus 3 dB. In terms of the weight of the headphones, they are 410 grams, and the cable itself is 2.1 meters long. As I mentioned before, it's pretty long, also thick, and also terminated with a USB cable. So here is the headset on my head, and everything you can hear is coming directly from the Abkoncore headset microphone. So just a little quick pan around so you can see in terms of the RGB lights and to how it looks like on the head, and furthermore how it positions. Now in terms of the microphone itself, I'm just going to mute it. And I'm just going to unmute and while continuing to speak, so hopefully you can hear the mic mute function and how that actually performs. Now moving on to the software, which comes bundled and you can download also via Abkoncore's website, you can see you've got a variety of different options. So you've got 4 different profiles that you can set, and this is in relation to the EQ. So you've got a 5-band equalizer, 60Hz, 300Hz, 1200, 3600 and 12,000 Hz. Now, in terms of the EQ, when you do customize it, for example, if you were to do this, for example, you would have to enable this button in order to activate the EQ. You've also got a 3D sound, which you can enable or disable per profile, and of course you can reset it if you don't want that either. In terms of the effect, this is in terms of the effect that the headphones will sound like, rather than your microphone, so you can be in a theater or a corridor, or have it as none. In terms of the microphone, you can see right now I'm speaking directly from it. The gain you can as well adjust if you so wish, and you can also mute it directly from the software. So if I just do that and then just continue to speak, you can see you can do that via that button as well. In terms of virtual 7.1, you can enable or disable virtual 7.1 and have these cogs kind of rotating, so they can basically give you an idea of how the sound will come through, and then you can also reset that part as well. Now there are two other ones over here, the ENC and VMF. It just doesn't seem to support, so if I click on it and were to change it, it'll say non-supported headset model, so it's just worth bearing that in mind. And also in terms of device active, it just gives you an idea that the headset is being picked up by the software, so any changes you do make are going to be reflected on the headset. So there we have it. Hopefully this video has given you an insight as to how the headset is and package contents within the box. If you'd like any more information, do check out Abkoncore's website in the description below. As always, if you can give it a like, subscribe and favourite and share, always help the channel grow, and it's very much appreciated. Alright guys, take care and bye bye.